Ever since the day of rain, lightning, and thunder, there has been slime on the wall. Welcome back to Slime Control, where I will be working together, so hip hip hooray. Oh no, they're here. Rain more! Big enjoying myself. We're here, but where's that yellow-faced squash? To be honest, I'd rather cut up this slime. Say, Paper, what do you think we should do about this? I don't know. The thunder did it. Doesn't it suck having to move channels? Yeah. You know what's more gnarly than that? All that lightning that's happening. Oh my god. I'm so scared of lightning. Oh, I need someone. Oh, you need it? Oh, it's okay, yellow-faced squash. You can just count for lightning strikes. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. Oh, no, you're not saying it, Shredder. Get out of my house. All right. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. High new record there. 17 seconds. Okay. 5, 6. Yoshi! Huh? The Mario Galaxy movie comes out tomorrow. Yeah, it's bad reviews, though. Hip hip hooray. There's lightning and the Mario Galaxy movie's getting negative reviews. What do you want this time, Super Y? I just wanted to say 6-7. Oh, no, you're not. I can create more lightning than ever. I programmed a robot to form for slime on the wall. Rock, paper, frickers. Paper just got slimed. Where is the slime control? I'll show you. I'll finish you off by myself, Super Y. Alright. Now that Super Y has been defeated, let's go check on everyone else. Oh my god. Lightning and thunder can create slime? Get me out of here. Paper, you okay? I'll get you out of there. Oh, paper slime. That rocks. Star, can you get it off? You're good to go. Okay, you're good? There. Yeah, I got slime on myself. Hey, Lil. And Dad. And Minjong. And Mom. Oh, hey guys, you sweeties. Oh, remember that Boba with evil... Now, that lightning was evil. Evil Harmony last week? 2 weeks ago? Ah, yeah. But I don't know what that's all about. But, thunder controls. I don't know how to... Every time I say I don't know, I sink into the slime. I don't know how this happens. Ugh. Slime. Yeah. Anyways, I have a mystery for y'all today. Actually, I don't. But I have a mystery for y'all. Who put the slime on the wall? I know it wasn't me. You heard him. I didn't. Not me. Not me. Not me. Not me. Nope, it wasn't us. Wasn't even me, but, yeah. Lightning! Where's Henry? Here, but I brought a crumply piece of paper. I didn't do any of it. Neither did we. Match. Leafy, y'alls are here too. Yeah. This is perfect. I, Foreman Pig, in Energon Lockdown, will smoke a stank to destroy the slime control. I put slime on the wall. No one can say the magic words now. Time to shoot some lasers. Lightning lasers. Hi. That's a fact. Oh. Where's all the slime coming from? Blasters. What the heck? Oh, you're just in time. I, Foreman Pig, am the one who put the slime on the wall. Hey, ha, ha. Ta-da! But why did I do it? Well, I don't know. No, I'm being shocked at those Oh well. I think we saved the day. Of course we did. And we're not singing Stew, Stew, Stew Ray. Perfect timing for lightning, though. Oh, Jack, come here. It doesn't matter who you call me. You'll always be my kid. Thanks, Bum. How cute you guys are. Hey, Leafy. Yes? What you got here? I have a plate of vegan breakfast if you like some. I like to flex. Would you like some flexies? Well, I think that's all for today. Let these imaginary credits roll. And don't miss Spirals from the creators of Water School in theaters June 19th. From the studio that brought you Water School. And in Spanish, Espíritus de Colores y Natura. El 19 de junio. Busco para quien eres. De estudio que le trajo la Escuela de Agua.